Good morning to all of you once again. I am here to teach you computer as you know, and we are discussing lesson 3, which is about about the tools of word processor. And in this video today we are going to discuss about thesaurs, and then you can say previewing and printing a document. First we are going to discuss, as you can see, that using spelling and grammar feature. I told you in the last video also that we can use spell check and grammar check for the errors, whether there is a grammatical error or word meaning error. Means जब भी आप कुछ लिखते हो, whether you are writing something and you don't know the proper spelling of the proper that particular word, and if you wrote, you can say wrong, then that there will be a red wavy underline. Red wavy underline means उसके नीचे एक red color का wavy आपको underline दिखेगा. And when you are writing in you can say something wrong in grammar, whenever you are writing something and whether it is if it is wrong, if there is grammatical error, then there will be a blue wavy underline, and that can be correct with the help of spell check and grammar check feature. It is given in every computer, every word, can say word processor. So it is mentioned that some it is first thing it is mentioned, we might make mistakes while typing text, because we are human beings, we can make mistakes. So it can identify the mistakes, and it gives us it gives us, you can say, a feature to correct it. ये हमें feature देता है कि हम उसे correct कर सकें. To do it is given also that the word also put red wavy underline, that word said it is given. Now what are the steps simply to use that? First it is given that to use spell check and grammar check, we will go on review tab, proofing group, and there will be spell check and grammar check. Okay. Second, it is given that for each error in a document, word refers one or more suggestions. हर एक गलती के लिए word के उसके पास अलग अलग suggestions होते हैं. So किसी एक को perform करने के लिए you can do here in your book it is given so many options, and with that anyone you can simply choose it and do it. What are the steps it is given? First we will click on change button option, change button to correct the error. Second, it is given change all button. If you want to change all the text or paragraph, then or you want to replace, so you just select change all, and then after from there you can change from the suggestion list you can take the word and you can change it. Third is ignore और ignore all. Ignore भी कर सकते हो आप, ignore all भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपके टेक्स्ट में पूरे पैराग्राफ में हर जगह रेड और ब्लू है, then you can simply use ignore or ignore all. Ignore all करेंगे तो the whole paragraph errors will be ignored by the system. And the fourth one is add or button word. Add a new word in a dictionary, you can do with the help of add. And then fifth one at the last is press OK button. With the help of OK button you will be able to simply complete the process of using thesaur spell check and grammar check. So with this we can simply do that. Here as given in shorts also, let me tell you that we can active spell check and grammar check by pressing press F7. सिर्फ F7 बटन प्रेस करके हम स्पेल चेक और ग्रामर चेक को भी एक्टिव कर सकते हैं. ओके. एंड सेकेंड इट इज गिवन वन मोर थिंग दैट वी कैन करेक्ट स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर मिस्टेक बाय राइट क्लिकिंग ऑन द वर्ड्स. ये शॉर्ट दिया हुआ है, शॉर्ट में दिया हुआ है आपका, बिकॉज आप किसी वर्ड में अगर आपको रेड दिखता है या ब्लू वेवी अंडरलाइन दिखता है, देन यू कैन सिंपली सेलेक्ट द वर्ड एंड राइट क्लिक. जैसे ही राइट क्लिक करोगे, prediction will be on, and there you can see that ignore or ignore all भी होगा, and then after उसका proper तुमको meaning भी दिया होगा, whether it is wrong का सही भी दिया होगा, everything. It can also ask you to, if that particular word is not in the you can say spell check and grammar check, then it can also ask you to add to dictionary. So you can simply do that. You have to practice it at home, and then after you will be able to understand. Next is about teaser. What is teaser? Word has an inbuilt dictionary. जैसे कि as for example, if you don't know any meaning of any word, or if you don't know the any word, then you can use the dictionary. Same way in the computer, word also there has, or you can say inbuilt dictionary, which is called thesaurus. And then it is used to look for the meaning. Synonyms and antonyms ढूंढने के लिए हमको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. With the help of thesaurus, we can just do that. We'll have to just enable it. Whenever we are typing something in the word, we need to enable the thesaurus, and then after it helps a lot. So what are the basically and it can improve the, you can say that the vocabulary और finding suitable words. ये हमें suitable words find करने में भी हमारी बहुत मदद करता है. So what are the steps? First thing is select the word, or or place a cursor or the word look to the synonym. जिस भी word का हमें synonym चाहिए, या तो हम select करके उससे हम search कर सकते हैं. Then after, second is click on thesaurus option in the proofing group present in the review tab, and then a list of synonym and antonyms will be appears on the, and then thesaurus task pane on the right side of the window you can see in the book. And thereafter, third one, you can use any word, go through the insert tab, and then after you can insert it, and then after the existing word get to be you can say substituted on a new synonym, means uska new synonym या antonym आपको मिल जाएगा, and that can be used thoroughly. You can use it nicely. The last topic is about previewing or printing a document. See, it is very important to see. Previewing means, suppose when we are typing, when we are going to take a printout, जब भी हम printout लेने जाते हैं, ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि हम सबसे पहले उसको देख लें कि हाँ, whenever we are going to take a printout, it is very important कि वो proper settings पेज का है कि नहीं है, whether the correct typing is not, whether everything is correct or not, सब कुछ सही है कि नहीं है. और ये सब करने के लिए हमें previewing करना पड़ता है. So previewing a document, it is given that means checking a document before printing it. As I told you, check करना पड़ता है print करने से पहले. So to do with this, what are the steps? First, it is given that go on print option in the file tab. हम file tab में जाएंगे, print option में जाके फाइल टैब में जाके प्रिंट ऑप्शन में जाएंगे, एंड देन देयर विल बी अ प्रीव्यू बटन, प्रीव्यू ऑटोमेटिकली, वो ऑटोमेटिकली हमको प्रीव्यू करेगा. एंड देन क्लिक ऑन एरो बिलो द प्रीव्यू सेक्शन इन एवरी पेजेस इन द डॉक्यूमेंट. एरो बटन में जाके बिलो में हर सेक्शन में के हर पेजेस के डॉक्यूमेंट में हम क्लिक कर सकते हैं. एंड देन मैग्नीफाई व्यूइंग मेक यूजिंग द जूम स्लाइडर bar at the bottom of the preview section. So many options it is given, and with the help of this you can simply do that. As for example, I am giving you third is given that choose the printer drop down list. You will have to select the printer. Then after, if you want to print all, means you have number of pages 10, 12, 20, so you can simply print all. And if you want to here is when choosing print all pages to entire document, पूरा documents आपको सेलेक्ट करना है, मतलब प्रिंट करना है. देन यू कैन प्रिंट ऑल, और उसमें से कोई अगर आपको एक सेलेक्ट करके प्रिंट करना है, देन यू कैन जस्ट सेलेक्ट वन. एंड देन आफ्टर प्रिंट करेंट पेज, अगर आप करेंट पेज में हो, जैसे कि आप नंबर 5 पेज पे हो, सिर्फ नंबर 5 पेज का ही लेना है, देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ करेंट पेज यू कैन लेट प्रिंट, टेक द प्रिंट आउट, एंड देन प्रिंट कस्टम रेंज, मीन्स स्पेसिफाई नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, मीन्स इफ you have 20 pages and if you want only 10 pages, so with the help of custom range you can simply do that. Next is only print odd pages. Odd pages in the sense, odd means you know that meaning of that means, suppose you left one and choose another. So with the help of odd pages or even pages, odd or even pages, you know that in the mathematical you very well know about that. With the help of this we can simply odd or even pages only. At the last one, click on print button. When we press that print button, your file will be automatically goes to print, and then after that the printout come out. So this is basically the whole scenario. I am just telling you one more thing, that with the help of CTRL plus P, simply when you press Ctrl plus P from the keyboard, there will be a preview button, and from there also you will be able to also select these scenarios, means these things whatever you like, and whatever you want, you know what, choose, you can do with the help of that shortcut key also. I hope you understand, and if you not understand anything, then please ask me in the Google Classroom.